One day there was a man who worked in a factory. The man was really hardworking person. He made sure to come on time. He never took one day off. But he was never promoted at his work. So one day he decided to ask the factory manager about why he was not promoted. The factory manager told him, "You really worked hard to a point that you made everyone look bad." The man was shocked and he responded to the factory manager, "But I really worked hard and I did not take one day off. How come that I made everyone look bad?" The factory manager said, "Now I understand that you do that out of a goodwill, but there is a difference between working hard and working smart." The moral of the lesson is collaboration and teamwork is always necessary. Sometimes you have to work really smart and not work really hard. Collaboration with your team and dedicating some time for your rest, not exhausting yourself at work, and having some time for your family and friends and social life is a necessity. Trying to overburden yourself with a lot of work is not going to get you the wanted and desired result. So collaboration and shared knowledge will always get you great results. And that is really important if you want to be successful at your work. Work smart and not only hard. Have a wonderful day.